Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Junior KG, Semester 1 book. Yesterday, what we have learned? Capital letters A to M. Yes or no? A to M. That is A for arrow, A for axe, A for apple, B for ball, B for bell, B for bat, B for bat. C for cat, C for cake, C for cap, D for door, D for doll, D for duck. Then alphabet review A, B, C, D. Say the name of each picture. Write the first letter of each picture. Name. B for ball, A for apple, D for doll, and C for cat. C for cat. E for egg, E for egg, E for engine, E for elephant. F for fan, F for frog, F for fish, F for fish. I am purposely not reading in line series, okay? In the middle also, you also can read like that. G for grapes, G for gun, G for gum, G for gum, G for gun, G for gum, G for grapes. In the middle also, I am reading like that. H for hat, H for hen, H for hut, H for hut. Then alphabet review E, F, G, H. That is H for hut, E for elephant, G for goat, F for fruits, F for fruits. I for insects, I for ink pot, I for igloo, I for igloo. J for joker, J for jam, J for jug. K for kite, K for key, K for king, K for king. L for lotus, L for lion, L for leaf, L for leaf, L for lion, L for lotus. Alphabet review, that is write the missing letters of each picture. I, J, K, L. I for igloo, K for king, J for jug, L for lion, L for lion. Then M. M for monkey, M for mat, M for mango. So A to M we have completed. Yesterday we have completed A to M. Now let's see the new alphabets again. N. Small, capital N, capital N. N for net, N for nest, N for nail polish. O for octopus, O for ostrich, O for orange, O for orange, O for orange, O for ostrich, O for octopus. P for parrot, P for parrot, P for puppy, P for pot, P for pot. Alphabet review M, N, O, P. M for mango, N for nest, P for parrot, O for owl, O for owl. Q for queen, Q for quiver, Q for quiver, and Q for quill, Q for quill. Q. Q for queen, Q for quiver, quiver, and Q for quill, Q for quill. R. R for radish, R for ring, R for rat, R for rat. Then S for snail, S for snail, capital S for snail, S for sun, S for seal, S for seal. T for table, T for table, T for tiger, T for tomato. You all are eating tomatoes? Okay. T for tomato. N-O-P Q R N-O-P-Q-R S, this is T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, see here. We will write N to T. N to T in your 4-line book. See here. Capital N. Capital N. N for net. N for nest. N for nail polish. N for nail polish. N for nest. N for net. N for net. This way you have to write. Then O. O. Capital O for ostrich. O for ostrich. O for octopus. O for octopus. O for orange. O for orange. O. Then P for parrot. P for parrot. P for puppy. P for puppy. P for pot. P for pot. P. Then Q. Capital Q. Q for queen. Q for queer. Q for queer. Q for quill. Q for quill. Q for queen. Then R. R for rabbit. R for rat. R for reddish. R for rose. R for ring. R for red. S for snakes also come, huh? So, see here. S for snail. S for snail. S for sun. S for sun. S for seal. S for seal. S. Now T for tiger. T for tiger. T for train also comes. Okay. T for table. T for table. T for tomato. T for tomato. See here now. OPQRST. How I have written no? In this way you also write N to T means in this way you have to write for 2 pages. How many pages you have to write? 2 pages. After writing N to T, N to T, see here, N to T, you write A to T. A to T. For this is for 2 pages and this is for 2 pages. You have to write. Yes, we have completed rhymes. That is 1, 2, buckle my shoe the other day and engine number 9 from page number 46. Now let us come to the new rhyme, that is page number 47. My red balloon. My red balloon. Let's see. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. I jump up high and try to fly, but I can't. Oh, tell me why. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. We will sing in rhythm. Okay. My red balloon, my red balloon, my red balloon, my red balloon flies high, so high, so high. I jump up high, and try to fly, but I can't. Oh, tell me why. But I can't. Oh, tell me why. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. Once again, see here. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. I jump up high and try to fly. I jump up high and try to fly, but I can't. Oh, tell me why. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. You also say in the same way. And twinkle, twinkle, everybody is knowing. Yes or no? See here. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. How I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Up above the world so high. Like a diamond in the sky. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. How I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Up above the world so high. Like a diamond in the sky. In this way, you have to learn by heart these 2 rhymes, my red balloon and twinkle, twinkle. Page number 47. Page number 47. You have to learn by heart. Learn, Learn. Learn by heart, H-A-R-T, heart. Learn by heart Learn by heart my red balloon. My red balloon. B-A-double-L O-O-N. Balloon. And the other one is twinkle, twinkle. T-W-I-N-K-L-E. Twinkle, twinkle. Page number 47. These 2 rhymes you have to learn by heart. No writing. Writing homework is, this is the homework. This is the homework. N to T. N to T capital letters 2 pages. A to T 2 pages. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When T comes, you have to stop. With this, we will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.